In this series of video, we will be solving certain PYQs that are previous year questions for your MSc entrance examinations. Let's get started with the question number 1. The question says, a student prepared 98.7 ml LB medium in a 250 ml volumetric flask. To this flask, he added 100 microliters of ampicillin from 100 mg per ml stock, 1 ml 2% X-Gal and 200 microliters of 20% IPTG. If total volume is 100 ml, find the concentration of ampicillin, X-Gal and IPTG. Students, in this question we have to find out the concentration of three components. One is your ampicillin, next your X-Gal and third one is your IPTG. These three solutions are added to the LB medium from different stock solutions. Okay, so first what we will do is we will start with ampicillin. To solving this question, we just have to remember one important formula that we have learned in our school section. C1 into V1 is equal to C2 into V2. Let us consider C1 V1 be the concentration and volume of the solutions, stock solutions of ampicillin, stock solution of X-Gal and stock solution of IPTG, while C2 V2 be the concentration and volume of the solution of LB medium after adding your ampicillin or your X-Gal or your IPTG. So the concentration and volume of ampicillin in the stock solution will be C1 V1 and the concentration and volume of ampicillin in this LB medium will be C2 V2. Now let us substitute the values and solve this question. Here C1 V1, that is the concentration and volume of ampicillin in the stock solution, that is 100 mg per ml. So our concentration here will be 100 mg per ml multiplied by V1, that is how much amount we have taken. We have taken 100 microliters. So it will be 100. This will be equal to C2. C2 is the concentration of ampicillin in the LB medium. That is the one we need to find out. So let's take it as it is. Then V2, it is the volume of this LB medium. It is given here that the total volume of this medium is 100 ml. And this particular volume that we took here is in microliters. Students, before proceeding to solve the question, we have to check whether all the units of the components are same. As we see here, we have ml, we have microliters and ml. So we have to convert this microliter into ml before proceeding further. And how we can do that? We know that 1 ml is equals to 1000 microliters. Therefore, 100 microliter will be equal to 0.1 ml. So let's do that. So here it will be 100 mg per ml multiplied by 0.1 ml equals to C2 into this 100 ml. By just calculating our C2 will be, what we will do here is we will take this 100 towards the LHS, so it will get divided over there. So 100 into 0.1 divided by 100 will cross this 200, we will get 0.1. Now what will be the unit of this 0.1? 0.1 is the concentration and the concentration unit was mg per ml. So it will be 0.1 mg per ml. Now what we will do if we have to convert this into microgram per ml? Again we know that 1 mg is equals to 1000 microgram. Therefore 0.1 mg will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 100 micrograms. So this will also be equals to 100 microgram per ml. So thus we have found out the concentration of ampicillin in our LB medium. Let us do this similarly to the second one, that is your X-Gal. Here X-Gal, they have taken 1 ml from a stock solution of 2%. So here our C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2. C1, that is the concentration of the stock solution, that is 2%, into the volume which was taken, that is 1 ml, which is equal to C2, that is the concentration of your X-gal in your LB medium, that is unknown, multiplied by the volume taken, the volume of the LB medium, that is 100 ml. So just we can solve it, there is no problem with the because all the units are same, there is no issues. Let's find out the value of C2. It will be this 100 we have to take over there, so 2 divided by 100, this will be equal to 0.02. Now what will be the unit? Unit is here is percentage, so this will be 0.02%. that will be the concentration of our X-gal after you add 1 ml from your stock solution to the LB medium. Similarly, let us solve this for our IPTG. It is given here as IPTG was taken 200 microliters from the 20% stock. So here again C1V1 is equal to C2V2. So C1, that is the concentration of your stock solution, that is 20%. V1, that is given as 200 microliters, and C2 it is given here as C2 we need to find out, and V2 will be the volume of our LB medium, that is 100. So let us solve and find out the value of C2. Again we need to make one small change, student. Here we have been given it is in microliter, but here it is in ml. So we have to now convert our 200 microliters into ml. And how can we do that? Here, as we saw here, we got it here that 100 microliter is equals to 0.1 ml. Therefore 200 microliter will be equal to how much? 0.2 ml. So it will be 20 into 0.2 will be equal to C2 into 100 ml. So therefore we will get 100, not 100, we will get here C2 will be equals to this 20 into 0.2 divided by 100 ml, that is 0, we cut here. 2 into 0.2 will be 0.4 divided by 10, that will be equals to 0.04%. that is the concentration of our IPTG in the LB medium. Thus we have found out the concentration of ampicillin to be 0.1 mg per ml or 100 microgram per ml, as well as the concentration of X-gal to be 0.02%, and the concentration of IPTG we have got here to be 0.04%. I hope student this question was understood by you all. Similar type of questions you can expect in your entrance exam. Remember that you have to learn few of these concepts and you are good to go. I will see you all in the next question. Thanks for watching.